I always wanted to be a nurse, so I was Googling like different schools, and ATS popped up. They had a good rating, so I went with that one. I know a lot of people that went to ATS and they all came out. They didn't get held back. They just went straight through. Everything that I have learned, nursing period, is game changing. Like working with the elderly, working with babies, it's just a game changer. Like, I really like it, and I learned a lot. A teacher told me that if this is something that I really wanted to do, never give up on doing it. It might take longer than others, but you'll get through it if this is what you really want to do. After my wedding, I plan on going back for my RN. Don't go in thinking that the teachers are just supposed to just throw the material at you and just give you everything that you are expecting them to, like, just give you the answers. Like, you have to put forth into learning too. Like, you have to want to learn. You can't expect them to just give it away to you. You have to want to learn. You have to want this.